Welcome to the third episode of the Power Way. This video is all about learning how to do proper squats and as a bonus, proper lunges, which not only are two very powerful resistance training exercises, but also along with push-ups and planks, they form almost the foundation of every other exercise in resistance training. So it is very important to learn how to do these properly, and both squats and lunges are for your lower body, that is your quads, your hamstrings and your glutes. So if you do them wrong, what you're doing is, instead of getting the toned lower body you want, you'll just get an aching lower body that you'll regret when you get old. So don't do that. Okay, so we'll be starting with squats and then lunges, and I'll show you how to do them properly. Let's start. Okay, so first, squats. So for squats, first of all, the right stance. So stand straight, shoulders rolled back, legs shoulder width apart, not too far, not too narrow. Okay, shoulder width apart. Now look straight, and then you have to bend down from the side, shoulder width apart, roll back, straight. Okay, now most people, when they bend down, either bend like this, which is wrong. This will hurt your back and your knees, not good. So when you bend down, make sure that your knees don't go ahead of your toes. They should always stay in line, and when you bend, your upper body should always be upright, that is at a 90-degree angle. So if you want to begin, you can use a seat or a bench or anything. So what you have to do is, following all these rules, you just sit down. Now what I like to do is, I like to keep my hands in front of me like this or like this, to maintain my balance as I go down, because we don't want to fall down. So as you go down, in line and straight, and then sit down, and then up. Now another mistake people do when coming up is they push through their toes. This is not good. You will end up hurting your feet. You have to use your heels to come up. So as you'll be like this, you push through your heels, tighten your glutes, tighten your abs, and come up straight. Your upper body should always be upright, straight. Now push through your heels, tighten your glutes, tighten your abs, and up, and down, and up. Never go like this. Never let your knees go past your toes. Look straight at all times. Push up through your heels. Okay? From the front, this would look like this. Look straight. Now, after you have done a couple of tries with the seat, you can leave the seat, come ahead and do it without the seat. That would look something like this. Go down as much as you can, following the rules. Don't go like this. Don't let your knees go past. Stay upright and push up through your heels. Okay? Like that. And you can keep your hands in front just for balance, nothing else. That was the proper way of doing squats. Remember all the do's and the don'ts. Now let's head over to lunges. Okay, lunges. Now this is also like the squat, but now as you go down, you're taking one leg behind the other. In this exercise also, there are a few common mistakes that I'll address and help you correct them. Okay, so for starters, same stance, upright, look straight ahead, and shoulder width apart. Okay, never keep it too much or too less. Okay, just shoulder width apart, shoulders rolled back, chin up, look straight. Now in this exercise, most people lose balance while going down. There are 2 to 3 reasons for this. First, you don't maintain focus while going down. So the best thing to do is choose a focal point ahead of you, any point, and focus on it as you go down. Another is, when you keep one leg behind what most people do is either they cross the other leg or they keep it exactly behind, because of which even my balance is going wrong. So what you have to do is, as you keep your leg behind, make sure that the shoulder width is still maintained even though it's behind. The same shoulder width, because at that time you'll be able to maintain your balance even as you go down. Choose a focal point. Now, another mistake most people do is they let their knee go past their toes. This will end up hurting you. Okay, so make sure that you bend from this knee down so that this always stays at a 90, this always stays at a 90, and this always stays at a 90. If you go like this or like this, you'll end up losing your balance or hurting yourself, both of which are not right. Okay, so for starting, you could take support like a wall or bench or chair, anything, and go down, up 90, 90, 90, and up. Now to come back from here, push from your back leg and stand straight, just as you had started. Now same thing with the other leg. Grab support, keep your leg back, maintaining shoulder width apart. Now bend from your back knee at 90s, look straight ahead, maintain the focal point. Hold this for as long as you like. Now push from your back leg and stand straight. Now if you want, you can lose the support, keep your hands in front of you or here, anywhere you like, and bend back. Make sure to maintain the 90s and the shoulder width apart as you go down. Up, down, and up. That was the proper way of doing lunges. We hope this helped you, and if you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and turn the bell notifications on so that you will know anytime we release a new video. We'll see you in our next episode. Till then, stay tuned and thank you.